Hi, I'm Zeza Sao and I'm the founder of Malée Natural Science. Not only did I come up with the idea of creating this amazing brand, but also borrowing from amazing secrets that have been kept from different tribes in Africa over centuries, and we get to share this with you today in our products. One of the products that I'm most proud of creating is our conditioning body scrub. Made with natural salt and sugar, this is great for all skin types because the scrub does the work for you and you don't have to do a lot of mechanical exfoliation, which can be damaging to the skin. I was inspired to create this product because dry skin is something that I suffer from and my family suffers from. And this is important actually because when you use moisturizing products, you want them to actually do the work that they've been designed to. And when you have dry skin and dead skin layers, it stops the moisturizers from actually working and improving the texture of your skin. So a little goes a long way, and small circular motions will end up giving you more pressure, and larger circular motions will give you less pressure for larger areas on your body. So concentrate on your elbows, ankles, feet with smaller circular motions, and on your arms with larger circular motions. It's great for kerastosis, which are the little bumps that you get on your hands. Did you know that sugar has natural alpha hydroxy acids? And that means it's also a chemical exfoliant, which means while you mechanically exfoliate using the scrub and circular motions, the sugar contained in the scrub will help chemically exfoliate your skin. Great for pigmentation, great for tightening the skin, and you can get smooth, youthful, nourished, moisturized skin, and your moisturizers are going to do an amazing job. Made with 5 nourishing oils and butters, you'll find mango seed oil, sunflower oil, wheat germ oil, avocado oil in this scrub. So unlike other scrubs on the market, it moisturizes while it gets rid of dead skin cells. And a pro tip from me to you, why not wet your hands or apply this onto damp skin? And you'll find that it's going to turn into a milk, which helps those moisturizing oils sink further down into your skin. And also the sugars break down, and that helps you to even do a better job of revealing healthy skin. This scrub has won several awards across the globe, and I'm incredibly proud of the benefits of what this scrub can do for your skin. So hope you enjoy it.